Mandan level institutions. There are many public institutions to serve the people at Mandan level. They are Mandan Parishad Office, Tahsildar Office, Health Center, Bank, Police Station, MRC, and Veterinary Hospital. Now let us one by one. First, Mandan Parishad Office. What are the activities doing in Mandan Parishad Office? Now let us discuss one by one. It is headed by the Mandan Development Officer, providing primary education, agriculture, cat and rearing, fish farming, poultry breeding, and development. All activities doing under the Mandan Parishad Office. Construction and repairs of roads and irrigation, providing safe drinking water, health, women and child welfare, sanitation, all activities doing within the Mandan under Mandan Parishad Office. Next, police station. What are the activities doing at police station? Police station headed by Station House Master SHO of Police. Now we call him SI Inspector of Police. Maintains the law and order in the Mandan. Receives complaints from the people, record them and respond immediately. Next office, Mandan Tahsildar Office. What are the activities doing at Mandan Tahsildar Office? The Mandan Tahsildar Office, headed by Tahsildar, supervise the activities of village revenue officers, receiving complaints from public and inquire about them. Ensure that all the welfare programs reach the needy people along with MPDO. Issue caste and income certificates to the people. Renew people from bonded neighbor. Issuing of land passbooks to farmers. Solve land related disputes. Conduct elections also, doing Mandan Tahsildar office staff. Next, primary health center. What are the activities doing at primary health center? Primary health center headed by health officer, treating patients with common diseases every day. Maintaining the sub health centers and supervising its activities. Implements national health program in the Mandan. Ensures safe delivery under mother child welfare scheme. Next one, bank. What are the activities bank doing? Headed by the bank is the manager. Collecting deposits from the people is the main motto of bank. Distribution of loans to needy people. Promotes saving and digital transactions. Next office is Mandan Resource Center. What are the activities doing at Mandan Resource Center? Mandan Resource Center headed by Mandan Education Officer. We call him MUO. Enrollment of all children in school, monitoring schools to provide quality education to all the enrolled children, effective implementation of midday meal program in all schools and other children programs are doing Mandan Resource Center. Next one, veterinary hospital. What are the activities doing at veterinary hospital? Veterinary hospital headed by veterinary doctor. Look after the health of all animals, provides treatment to wounded animals, identifies the diseases which are transmitted from animal to human beings and takes preventive measures. Educate the farmers on how to take care and give nutritious food to animals. These activities done by veterinary hospital.